What's up guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you own an FRS or BRZ and you're looking to add dual rear calipers to your car, we developed a product that's going to make your life easy. Let's take a closer look. As with all things SIKKY, this bracket kit was designed and manufactured right here in the USA. It consists primarily of these two 6061 billet aluminum machine brackets that bolt right up behind your wheel hub and allow this caliper, a specific Willwood caliper, to bolt right up. Comes with all the hardware and the brackets you're going to need. One of the best things about this kit versus what else is out there on the market is it allows you to run the factory emergency brake at the same time as you're running these dual calipers, and everything functions as it should. But should you want to eliminate the big dust shield and the factory emergency brake setup, the kit also comes with these shims that you run instead of that dust plate. So it's the best of both worlds depending on which way you want to go. Say you want to start out with the street setup, keep your emergency brake. One day you say, hey, I want to make this a track only car. You take your shim out of the box and you mount that instead. So it allows you to get rid of all the emergency brake components or keep them for daily usage. So it's a really good design. It's going to make this installation super easy and it's going to work amazing. So the base kit comes with what you see here, 2 billet brackets for your left and right side, 2 shims, and all the high-grade hardware you're going to need to complete the installation. To make your life even easier, at the time of checkout, you can choose to add the specific calipers that we recommend and design these brackets around, as well as the brake pads, which have the best compound you can use for a quick lockup on your e-brake setup. To make it even more convenient, we make several different line kits that bolt right up to the calipers that come with all the fittings you need to run from dual caliper into a T up to your handbrake. So not only does that simplify things, but we have several lengths that'll work with reverse or normal position, pullback style. So we've got you covered with different increments in the line. So another easy, simple install to get this thing plumbed up and bled and get you out on the track. To make the install of this dual caliper bracket kit go as smooth as possible, make sure you check out our step-by-step installation guide that's on our YouTube channel to walk you through the steps from A to Z, making this install as easy as possible. We're constantly developing products for the FRS and BRZ. To make sure that you don't miss out on the new stuff we're developing, make sure you follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or check out SIKKY.com to find out more.